Imagine you could create the ideal ventilator. What would it be like? Wouldn't you want to use it for all patient populations? And it should support all non-invasive and invasive ventilation modes. To make it suitable for transport, it would have a long battery life and would not require compressed air. It would be easy to use and support you with on-screen troubleshooting, as well as graphical displays of the patient condition. It would have an intelligent ventilation mode where you just set the clinical targets for the patient in terms of CO2 elimination and oxygenation. And the ventilator adjusts the controls automatically to meet your targets. The ventilator would even start to wean the patient automatically as soon as your weaning criteria are met. It would provide you with sophisticated tools to assess the lungs and to recruit the lungs. It would include the latest therapies such as high-flow oxygen therapy,